Good morning, my love, and welcome to this mindful meditation to help you start your day, turning off the autopilot so that you can be present and aware. So close your beautiful eyes and allow yourself to be calm and relaxed, breathing in a rhythm that feels natural to you, and allowing yourself to be anchored in the present moment. So feel each breath as you bring in cool air and breathe out warm air. Feeling your belly expand as you breathe in and contract as you breathe out. Pay attention to each breath without judging your breath. Simply observe your breath, taking in the experience with curiosity and openness, allowing your breath to keep you in the present moment, centered and mindful. So connect with your breath and let each breath be a completely new experience as you breathe in and breathe out, following your own natural rhythm and following your own natural pace. Don't adjust your breathing, but simply allow it to be what it is as you observe it with a curious mind, like a child experiencing something new for the very first time. So observe your breath and let your breath anchor you in the present moment. Now become aware of what you hear. Pay attention to the quiet and subtle sounds from cars outside of your window, your neighbor walking around, or birds outside of your window, or simply the quietness and stillness in your empty room. Be mindful and simply take in what is without judging or analyzing anything. Simply listen and be mindful. Allow yourself to just be in the present moment, to exist and to be as you connect with the sounds around you, observing your surroundings with an open mind and a present mind, focusing on this very moment, not the past and not the future, but right now. So let the sounds around you keep you in the present moment as you simply observe, observing the sounds and observing the silence. So stay in the present moment and allow yourself to just relax. Now, when you are ready to return to your day, take a deep breath and then slowly and gently open your eyes. Now start your day feeling peaceful and feeling mindful. Now continue with this next meditation for positive energy so that you can get a great start to your day. Namaste.